Do you write with your S Pen but prefer having everything in clean type text? Or maybe you just want to quickly convert long handwriting into something easier to copy and share? In this video, I will show you how to use convert to text under the Clean Handwriting menu in Samsung Note on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's super simple and super useful. To do so, open Samsung Note app and then open any handwritten note. Swipe along the bottom toolbar and then tap the Clean Handwriting icon. Your phone will highlight the handwriting. You can adjust the selection box if needed. Next, tap Convert to Text. If something looks off, tap the three dot and then tap Edit to correct the converted text. Tap Done when you finish editing. Now you can choose what to do with the text. You can tap Copy to send it to your clipboard, or you can tap Add to, then pick enough note to insert the text at the end of the note, or New Note to insert the text to a new note. And that's it. With Convert to Text, your handwriting becomes clean, editable text you can reuse anywhere. It's perfect for long note, meeting summaries, or anything you write with the S Pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.